discuss in detail about sunburn. Sunburn is red, painful skin that feels hot to touch. It usually appears within a few hours after too much exposure to the ultraviolet light from sunshine or artificial sources such as sun lamps. Home remedies can usually provide relief to sunburn, but sunburn as such can take days to fade. Intense repeated UV exposure that results in sunburn also increases your risk of other skin damage such as having dark spots or rough spots and dried and wrinkled skin. It also increases your risk of developing skin cancers such as melanomas. You can prevent sunburn and other related skin conditions by protecting your skin when you step outdoors, even on cool and cloudy days. Gives the skin its normal color. When you're exposed to the UV light, your body protects itself by producing melanin faster. This extra melanin produces a suntan. A suntan is nothing but the body's way of blocking UV rays to prevent sunburn, but the protection only goes so far. Too much UV light causes skin to burn. You can get sunburn even on cool and cloudy days. Other causes of sunburn include certain medication, increased UV index, and ozone layer depletion. The risk factors for sunburn include skin, blue eyes or blonde hair, living or vacationing somewhere sunny, warm, or at a high altitude, working outdoors, swimming, or spraying your skin with water, as wet skin tends to burn more often than dry skin can. Mixing outdoor recreation and drinking alcohol, regularly exposing unprotected skin to UV light from sunlight, taking a drug that makes you more likely to get a sunburn, photosensitizing medications, many factors such as time of the day, medication, ozone depletion, high altitude, clear skies can increase your risk of getting a sunburn. Sunburn signs and symptoms include changes in skin tone such as pinkness or redness, skin that feels warm or hot to the touch, pain and tenderness, swelling, small fluid-filled blisters which may break, headache, fever, nausea and fatigue if the sunburn is severe, eyes that feel painful or gritty. Any exposed part of your body, including your earlobes, scalp and lips, can also be subjected to sunburn. Even covered areas can get a sunburn if the clothing is too loose to allow the UV light to pass through. Your eyes are extremely sensitive to the sun's UV light and they can also burn. Sunburn signs and symptoms usually occur within a few hours after sun exposure, but it may take a day or more to know the severity of the sunburn. Within a few days, your body can start to heal itself by peeling the damaged skin's top layer. After peeling, your skin can permanently have an irregular color and pattern. A bad sunburn can take days to heal. Intense repeated sun exposure that results in sunburn increases your risk of skin damage and other certain diseases. These include premature aging of skin, precancerous skin lesion and skin cancer. Premature aging of your skin. Sun exposure and repeated sunburns increases the skin's aging process, makes you look older than you are. Skin changes which is caused by the UV light are called photoaging. The results of photoaging include weakening of connective tissue that reduces the skin strength, deep wrinkles, dry and rough skin, fine red veins on your cheeks, nose and ears, freckles mostly on your face, dark or discolored spots on your face, back of hands, arms, chest, etc.